Yes, Julie, man, Makaloni, Tummy Bear TV, man, and mixed laughter yet a kid winning and Martine, Wanguni, I did Honorable Gilbert Olanya, T. Maki Yero, ma andong, T. Man Makaloni, chairperson, me Amuru, district, Mano, and FDC, Utio, yeah, I did. Honorable Gilbert Olanya, we now can take a celebrating, having fun, Chelki, Man Magalone, Voodoo, Mamoro, and Wajani be Metaki, tuting Mamega Kidom work in Gang, Man, FDC, Paul Merakita, Matwal, FDC, Amor District, Ken Macharan, Wanongeo, Honorable Call, Aaron Otie, District Chairperson, Maldoro, FDC, here more, but don't get my ano, by Yamacharo, Man Magalone, Managlo NRM kumbeni dong la date Gilbert Olanya enanong tie Magalone chairperson me FDC more district monoblock matie ma ping pelar kenano yala tie mena mo pingo mo beruti mo kuru twala ya mor la wo manan la wo maji me kero tum kere kenan ba ken machalo ona Odonga Otto lo kere lo ma pejo ma be yin nan ne wang so woneno ko no ko mo te me wa ko to ba beru ki kar me nano yana chel ma jone go wajo man Magalone itami be TV ana fo twal onen buno American and ko neno ken machala wo be en wo machwa magida magingeyo no but get team FDC so the dit Amuru to beruti machalo on kong ma dit 12 bana ko beruti kidong mana lo dir madam FDC ko beruti weng ya more district mo beru mi yom chuin but down to chu ma ber 12
kina dia chuli adoni baji chako luenya wain me chi manga to chi chako mer ma lueng peda ka mera ngene te da pengo so mera pui o mera la de Gilbert ichungi tiena rio te ku chwaro MP manet te ku chwaro MP magoro I parliament uno gango Amuru kinoya uru pat ki chuli kan ko chwegi rio Borwo pa degi kan ko chwegi chiel ma chiel kai ni ko chwegi rio uru che ko pul ki mu chiel to twan la dok jon ti oni ngongu ene kwota kaj ene chan dok me pe to Uganda wen chama chiek lo Uganda chiel ya Amuru pat kai ni chwegi rio ka chwalo MP madogi kila RC5 madogi kila uno gango Tuara ara ya pot kui era la Gilbert da ka para ko turi ko tuga so jomado a dongero a go chet kuno pe go duka bolo daro o kon wa met lo tera matera ko ma lwenye ne pe wana chubu kan wa tiga o lo do kito ne wa kere ne pedo waro ngwe wa ka pira reo jo wa ka pa mo kere so ke lo tera matera ma queen we go met ki ko wa kano ro ba ro ko no MP machalo wane abiro na chuli ywe man ki la Gilbert Odonga Otto la Gilbert mira la ke mira do ma ke kere cholo chulo Chico made ba kon kera beat mo ma queen
FDC oye I have come from Soroti City. I have traveled over 600 kilometers to come and stand with the Honorable Gilbert Olanya. The only voices we had in Parliament, now we have Honorable Gilbert Olanya. Olanya is now remaining alone in Handover.
And I wish to first of all congratulate the Honorable Gilbert Olanya for winning the position of chairman and leading the team here in Amuru. Having worked with Gilbert Olanya for a long time, I have all the confidence that he will steer the party very well in Amuru. It is now my pleasant honor to hand over the key to the chairman of the party. FDC oye!
FDC oye
FDC oye! FDC oye! Poa oye! Olanya oye! Amuru oye! One Uganda! One people!
One Uganda.
I hereby hand over power my brother Gilbert Olanya, and this is the staff of FDC for Amuru district.
Mare dong on kitich papati FDC mano kitika miane
Bogo wa. La coña de Moniki Bogo wa. Papoye. I do you pay more for me to Gilbert a year become Alpha Gilbert. A bully be my friend. A woman is a pecan. I don't know your father. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!